mentioned Carl Sagan's quote there about, becoming cartographers of human purpose. My TED talk I gave fairly recently about the Panzoic effect, this idea that astrobiology inspires people to think bigger about the universe and their place in it. I wonder if you can just share with us like your own vision for how this realm right now of astrobiology is impacting what it means for us to be human and consider our place in the universe.
Astrobiology serves as a mirror to teach us our place on Earth here. You have these big concepts that astrobiology teaches us. What is habitability? What are the thresholds? How do you keep a planet habitable? How do you lose habitability? I think that this is so highly relevant today, in understanding what are all the processes at play, because we are searching for life with astrobiology, right? But we're not just looking for life. What we're searching for is really a coevolution of life and environment. Life did not appear with a magic wand at the surface of the Earth. Planetary bodies, they come with the stuff of life embedded in them. I don't think that we have found any asteroids or comets without the bricks of life in them. And on Earth, life emerged. What I think we're seeing today in astrobiology too is, this separation with the idea that life is a thing. Probably life is a process, and it's also a transition from that moment where you see a planet and something that you can recognize as life. And now we are wondering a lot more, if it's a transition, where do you put the limit? So we are on the spectrum of looking at life in a very different way, but also looking at how not separated life is from its environment. It is a coevolution. It's this beautiful mirror. It's a different revolution than the Copernican revolution, but at the same time, it is about the same thing, which is decentralization of the position of human as being special and unique. The Earth is not the center of the universe. And then all of a sudden we learn that there are many other planetary systems. So we keep becoming less alone, still unique at this point in time, but not necessarily alone. And we are also now learning that humans are not the center of what makes this Earth. They are a component of it. And if you are looking at the way, the ecosystem, how it is layered, if you remove humans from this, I can bet you will have a number of species that are going to be really happy about this. If you are removing the tiny guys, blue-green algae, plants, the primary producers, then the whole thing collapses. And so I think that it is the spotlight that we are shining on what it is to be human. And we are part of a wonderful thing. The lessons are everywhere.